Hello everyone, I'm Samuel, BQool's brand evangelist. In this video, we'll be showing you how to save time with some of the most powerful BQool features. Let's get to business. First, let's talk about the listings with buy box suppressed. When listings are buy box suppressed, sellers could use lower FBA or FBM price plus a certain percentage or amount, or lower your min price. In order to unsuppress the buy box, sellers could also check the Keep a chart to see the last time the listing has a buy box as a reference. The next filter that I want to talk about is listings with long-term storage fees. Once the filter is applied, you can see the listings that have incurred long-term storage fee. What sellers could do for those listings is to use a more aggressive rule or lower the min price to liquidate before the price goes up again. Below, we can see historic days supply below 28 days. The filter allows sellers to find listings that are incurring low inventory fees if the historic days supply is below 28 days. For these listings, you could check out our low inventory video to set up to avoid paying those low inventory fees. Up next, I want to show you how to use the Add to Favorite filter feature. If you frequently use certain filters, you can save them as favorite for quick access. Simply scroll to the bottom of the filters, click Save as Favorite Filter, and name it as you like. Once saved, your favorite filters will appear at the top for easy access. After that, let me show you a useful setup used by a lot of Amazon top sellers, the Conditional Repricing rule. This setup will help you switch pricing rules based on the different conditions that you have set according to your needs. Go to the repricing rules on the top, then click on Add New Rules, click on Conditional Repricing tab, and select FBA Advanced Conditions. Name your rule and hit Next. Under this Conditions tab, click on the drop-down menu next to When and select Available Quantity and hit Save. Select greater than or equal to for the drop-down menu and put 50. Pick AI Sales Maximizer as a rule, which is the most aggressive rule with an ROI set to an ascending order starting from 35%. The logic of this setup is that as your inventory increases, a more aggressive rule is applied, resulting in a lower ROI. Conversely, as your inventory decreases, the rule shifts to a less aggressive one, raising the ROI. In my demo, you can see that I started with 50% ROI percentage and the least aggressive rule to begin with. In the screen, you can see we have set up an example, and all you need to do is to change the available quantity that suits your business. The same idea can be applied choosing inventory age and units sold, which are very popular among BQool users. The next step, I would like to show you how to search for a particular ASIN or SKU. Go to the Price History tab. On the top left, you can select Search by ASIN or SKU and enter the data according next to the drop-down menu. Then select the time period that you would like to check for that listing and hit Search. You can also use Advanced to narrow down your search by selecting a specific period, repricing rule, seller ID, and seller type. Finally, we can automate raising prices by using price looping feature to help you set intervals to repeatedly to either raise or lower your price to proactively trigger your competitors to raise their price multiple times a day. By increasing the market price, this will give you more opportunities to gain more profit. Let me show you how to set this up. First, go to any of the AI Match Buy Box rules and under Get Buy Box tab, turn on for Apply Price Looping Strategy. Then you could choose to raise your price between 3 to 24 hours. Next, you could choose how you want to raise your price, whether it's based on max price, buy box price, your price, min price, plus a certain amount of percentage. And lastly, you could set keep your price between 5 and 180 minutes. Our recommendation is to raise it for a duration of 60 minutes every 3 to 6 hours. We're nearing the end of our video. We've included links to each tip in the description below so you can follow along step by step. I hope you found some helpful tips to save time with BQool. Before we wrap up, here's my final tip. Try BQool, the best AI repricer on the market. It helps you boost sales faster and stay competitive. Our AI plan starts at just $25 per month, making it the most affordable option out there. Plus, you'll get a 14-day free trial. No credit card is needed. Give it a try, and I'll see you in our next video.